Talking about making some massive, determined actions this morning. I've been dealing with some high blood pressure, and I decided to take some massive, determined actions with my body. And the whole point is, if you want to have success in life, why be successful if you're not going to be healthy enough to enjoy the fruits of your labor, right? We got to begin to take care of ourselves, stop eating the stuff we don't supposed to be eating, like hot Cheetos for me, and take my medication. High blood pressure runs in my family. My father had high blood pressure and sugar, different things like that. So I'm trying to work on myself, like I said, but most importantly, I want to make sure I be around to be able to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Oftentimes as mothers, wives, sisters, we have people that's depending on us. And in our team, I joined this platform where we have a team of people that are so encouraging. I just thank y'all so much. I'm going to call a few of y'all out. Samba, Sharon, yes, Kim, thank y'all for your prayers. Miss Joyce, yes ma'am. Linda Joyce, thank you so much for your encouragement. Many prayers to you and your family. And we all need a support group, you know, strengthen other women. Shout out to you. Lori, shout out to you. Lori Dawkins Sinclair, thank you for always supporting me too. From Strengthen Other Women, yes, yes. The Yes, Yes Nation, thank you all for always chiming in on my my posts. I appreciate you so much, because in this life we have to connect with those that are like us. You know what I'm saying? We're branding ourselves on this platform, right? We're connecting with people that that are trying to be successful in this platform, running our businesses and developing ourselves and marketing ourselves and marketing what we do as an individual. I think it's a plane going over. It's a little cloudy today. I think you can. But I'm so grateful for the opportunity to just learn to begin to do something different. You know, do something different. You know, hi Jeffrey. Good morning. Good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining me. I was taking out a little walk this morning and wanted to chime on and just say, take massive action. Take massive, determined action for your health, for your business. If you haven't started a career, if you're working 9 to 5, if you're exhausted from all the stuff that you're doing, take the moment to make some changes. And especially for your health, I got to make some changes, y'all. You know, I do good for a minute, but it's, you know, we have to learn how to be consistent. Consistency is one of the major keys to success. Now, in my business, I'm doing that, right? But in my personal life and keeping up, hey, hi, Jessica. Good morning, sweetie. How are you? Type in where you are chiming in from. But in my personal life, I'm dealing with the high blood pressure, right? And so I'm trying to be more consistent, not just in my business, but in my personal life. Hi. But I just want y'all to know that it's not just me. I mean, I've been talking to a lot of different women, and we all have different things that we have to contend with. You know, uh, some of us are dealing with mother-daughter relationship issues. Some of us are dealing with husband and wife issues. Some of us are dealing with on-the-job issues. Some of us are dealing with bills and all of that. But all negative things aside, you have to begin to work those things out. Take massive, determined action that you're not going to let these things drag you down. You're going to do what's necessary to fix that. You know, you can't get stuck in a rut. Okay? Welcome, Jessica from London. Yes, awesome. Hey, Kathy Brown. Kathy Brown, hey, girl. Thank you for joining me this morning. So you got to begin to make massive, determined actions. That's one of the major keys to success. You can't allow your circumstances and situations to keep you from what you want for your life. You're low on money. When I started with this platform, I didn't have any money. I'm a housewife. And if I can make money from my platform, you can too, but you have to be determined. Good morning. Who is that? What is that? Marika? Hey, baby. How you doing? Type in where you coming from. Show me some love this morning. Good morning. You got to take some determined, massive action for your health, for your business, for your relationships, for everything that you're going through in this life. You can't allow the things that you're going through to hold you back, to hold you down. And you got to start making decisions now. Start making decisions now for what you want. We have to stop making excuses of why we can't get things done. I've been feeling bad, but guess what? I've been working on my business every single day. That's right. That's right. I take me a little rest and I'll get back to it. I take a little rest and I'll get back to it. You know why? Because it's necessary. You can't just get down and out because you feel bad or because things are not working in your relationships. We have to be the first partakers, right? We have to be the ones that say, okay, I'm going to be the bigger person. I'm going to deal with this and I'm going to say, but we have to learn how to be calm because I'm bad, chat. Let me tell you something. I'm not ashamed to tell y'all that I get frustrated sometimes. You understand? I get frustrated just like you. I get discouraged just like you. But at the end of the day, you got to say, wait a minute. Yes, yes to my success. Yes, yes. I'm determined to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. You know what I'm saying? Not just because for me, because there's people that depend on me, but most importantly, I depend on me. I desire to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Don't you? Give me a yes, yes. If you are determined to enjoy the fruits of your labor, you want things in life, you want your business to be successful, then you have to do the things that's necessary to get that done. One thing I used to do, I used to want other people to do for me what I could do for myself. Like when I wrote my first book, I told my best friend at the time, Miss Kim, she's Kim Smith now, I believe. But Kim, she was my very best friend. Both of us was going through marital problems and stuff like that. Both of us ended up getting divorced. And I was telling her about this book I wanted to write, but I didn't know how to type. So I said, will you please help me? I can tell you what's in the book. Just write it. She was an excellent typist. So I was like, I can tell you what to write. You just write it and I mean, you just type it and I'll tell you what to write, type. It didn't work, y'all, because, I was going too fast in my talking and you understand, and she has to make corrections and stuff like that as we're going. And it became an issue. So guess what? I started typing with the wrong fingers. I didn't care. I've written books and sent them on, honey, because you know what? Nobody's sitting there looking at my fingers and what keys I'm typing with. Long as I got it done, I got it done. Several times over. So if you want to succeed, right, you got to have a blueprint The platform that I've joined is my blueprint to my success. Okay? It's teaching me how to brand myself. It's teaching me step by step. I know you want somebody else to do it for you, but you got to put the work in. I know you don't feel like it, but you got to get up and get it done. Don't make excuses for the things that you know you have to get done. Am I right? Type yes, yes. Yes, very good, Jessica. Jessica say, I depend on me too. That's right. That's right. We have to learn how to depend on ourselves to get things done. Stop waiting for somebody else to do it for us. I had said before about how people, ask for money, right? There's nothing wrong with people asking if you're in need. The word says, asking it shall be given. But let me help you get to where you need to be with owning your own. You understand? Own your own business. You understand? We know we're going through a pandemic. We know we're going through a quarantine with this COVID-19. But there are many of us are making it. Many of us are making it through this quarantine time. Many of us are making it through COVID-19. We're stressing over the presidency and all of this kind of stuff. Why? You understand what I'm saying? They still getting paid. The little man is struggling, but the little man don't have to struggle. You don't have to struggle. All you have to do is be determined to take determined, massive action today. Make up your mind today that you're going to do something different. You're going to be different. You're going to take better care of yourselves. I've made the decision to take a better care of myself. I got to be more consistent about taking better care of myself so that I can enjoy the fruits of my labor. There's people that's going to be counting on you, right? But let them count on you to help them. Let me help you get where you need to be. But you got to make sure that you are ready. You can't expect to get with this platform and think that it's going to be just given to you. No, you got to do the work. You got to do the training. You got to apply yourself. You can't be looking for other people to just give you something. Stop looking for a free ride. At different parts of my life, I worked 2 and 3 jobs to take care of my children. What a sacrifice. How many mothers are out there working hard right now? Right now, sacrificing everything to take care of their children. Good morning. How many people are looking for somebody to just show them the way? That was me. Show me the way. Now I have this wonderful, may the Lord bless her, wonderful mentor to help me on this platform, to help me be successful. There's going to be people sitting back there counting your money too. Because you're making money, they thinking that you can just give it to them. No, you say, come on. Let me show you how you can do it too. Okay? Don't waste time expecting other people to do for you what you can do for yourself. Make determined, massive action. You take the steps. You sit down. You do the training. You do the work. Qualify yourself. Qualify yourself. Do the things that your mentors say that you have to do in order to get paid. Okay? You want to get paid? Do the work. Don't complain. You understand? It's already been set out for you. The blueprint is set. Don't go cheap. The cheapest, if all you got is $10 to get it done. That's major. When the woman gave her last dime, her last penny, her last coin, whatever that coin was, she gave much because she gave it out of her need. She needed more, so she gave. You need to begin to give. Give to yourself. Invest in yourself. When you make money, reinvest that money back into yourself. Don't go buying stuff. Okay, treat yourself. Okay, treat yourself. A little meal or whatever, or a trinket. But don't go blow all your money where you can't reinvest in yourself. Hey, Nick, who is that? I don't have my readers on, baby. I said to myself, I need to get my readers, and I still forgot. Hey, Belinda. I'm just telling you all this morning that it's important to take determined, massive action. I'm out here walking in this field because I want y'all to see the beautiful green, not just the pavement. A lot of times when we take a walk, we just focus on where we're walking. But sometimes take a look around. Take a look around and see the green. Take a look around. It's fall. The leaves are falling off the trees, right? So you better enjoy the last little bit that you see, okay? There's people that's going to fall away from your life. But that's okay. Let them fall away because you're on a journey to go somewhere. You got to get it done. You got to get it done for yourself and take care of yourself along the way so that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. This platform is just one way to build your income up, to build your finances. Okay? You want to be able to have multiple streams of income. Yes. Get yourself some multiple streams of income so that you'll be able to support your dream. You want to support your dream. But I'm not going to keep you all long. I just wanted you to know that today, make a conscious decision that you're going to take massive action. And if you're viewing this video after the recording, please put in #replay. And at the end of the day, when it's all said and done, just know that today you made a decision to do something better for yourself by taking massive, determined action. Miss Terza loves you. I believe in you. And we're going to have a webinar on tomorrow night, Wednesday. Wonderful webinar Wednesday. Honey, if you missed that, you missing it. If you miss the webinars, you won't know exactly what I'm talking about. So that's why I'm not giving you all the clues in this video, because I want you to come and see what I'm doing. I want you to check out my storyline. I want you to check out my page, and I want you to see what I'm doing. Because if I can do it, you can do that too. All you got to do is do the same thing that I do. No selling, no convincing, and completing the task. Now come on to that webinar tomorrow and get it done. Stop waiting for other people to do it for you. You do it for yourself. I love you. God bless you. But you stay inspired to do something for you today by taking massive, determined action. God bless you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.